Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban Island Khynnah bandan mentahak Bharat Scouts Guides Movement ka St. Mary's Mazzarello Girls High Secondary School Jawai ha kajing panyat ki arngut ki guide captain ki bakanthop ya ka modest stallion marbanyang bat ka care jalan kharbhi ha ka khat santri uni upanai ki lapanong ki jing penrong Dkhot ya ki Khynnah Skul ha kani ka singila ya danong idiom Dkhot District Secretary Mbs&G West Giant Hills Komukongsan ha kajing danong ka principal Sister Teresa Pawa Kachwada kala lu guide captain bat kinohi kai. Ya kajing lang na peniat daga care dalan kharbhi guide captain palayo ya kajingkan priang turam ka Khynnah guides jongka St. Mary's Mazzarello Girls High Secondary School Jawai. Kachwada kala lu guide captain ha kajingkan kala ay mensi migi Khynnah deki kintin sneng kintin kraw kibaya day baka nongrim trekam ka Scouts Guides Movement. U idiom tho ha kajingkan kumukongsan Ulaong kum ki Khynnah guides ibashim bentay ka kular bakinde ka babhatam na ka bentaban syakri ubriyo bat ya ublay kidi bendong ru ki Khynnah badan ka thong man pendap ki kerdan baper jong ka Scouts Guides Movement tak adu panyo ya ka President Award.
Say something about the benefits that you get from this association. The Scouts and Guides Association is a world association which is found in many nations. And I think in India it started in the year 1909.
Bluetooth disconnected.
In 1909, and then it has become part of the world family of the Scouts and Guides. And what do they do? I like their duties. The first one is important life skills, and that is what they teach you when you go for camps and others. And then you have the outdoor activities. You have also the school duties. And you have fun in learning. I'm not so familiar with the guides, but then I think these 3-4 things are very important apart from what Madam Chwarika has said. Also, Sir Adiam had told you about what is important as guides.
So that is one good turn you have done in a day. Okay? If you do some help to other people, something good turn you are doing, remember how much more God has seen what you are doing. And will bless you every day. He will bless you. He will fulfill all your needs. Okay? To obey the authority. To obey your parents, don't forget your parents. Okay? To obey a teacher. Okay? So that's very important. Motto: be prepared, be inside. Be an obedient girl, okay? Be smart and active, whatever your teacher sends you to do, okay? Then the best is yet to come to your life.